In this video, I will educate you about creating an online course process step by step. In fact, I'm going to show you what journey you need to take to increase your chances to creating a successful online course. Welcome to TAD Coaching. By the end of this video, you should be able to optimize your plan for starting an online courses. A successful course that satisfies your clients and turns evergreen. So, let us start. Let me show you the first big picture for online course creation. It starts by you as an instructor, with knowledge that you're going to package in a course, and you are trying to reach students and teach them. This makes you and the course the product. On the other side, it makes the students the market. So in order for you to be able to sell the product in market, you need to be able to attract students by providing value and in return to make income. To do this, you need to reach the student at first, which needs marketing. As you can see, we have 4 variables that need to work in order for you to succeed. Think about it like that. If you are not a good instructor in what and how you are teaching, or if your course is not adding value for clients, you're not going to be able to promote it and sell it. The same if you are a great instructor with an excellent course, but you don't know how to reach your students, you are going to fail. And if all above are good, but nobody needs your course in the market, it will fail too. All the 4 factors have to be worked in order for you to succeed. What are the key parts that keep the online course business running? At first, we have the course. Then you will need to get people in the course. So it's enrollment, where you do the sales process. After that, you will have your transformation. When somebody enrolls in your course, he expects you to take him from point A to point B. So it's customer transformation, in which you are providing a formula to transform your clients. At that point, they get their results and feel satisfied. Then they become your ambassadors. So, how does this work? At the top, you have your course. Then, through the sales process, you enroll your clients. Those clients got a transformation and feel satisfied by the course and then provide results. After that, they become your bigger ambassadors and they refer everybody they know to enroll in your courses, which means more sales, more transformation, and more ambassadors. Over time, this cycle continues to accumulate momentum and your business will grow faster. Let us call this the online business engine. This will take us to the next question. What is the most profitable course I should do? The answer is very simple and absolutely not hidden in copying somebody, because this will not work well. Because the most advantage that each of us has is that you are the expert in your expertise. So, the most profitable course lies in a problem that you solved for yourself or for somebody else. An obstacle overcome, a skill you have mastered, a career you had and the experience you grow, or your own success journey, like building an e-commerce business or Instagram fashion influencer. Because if there's a problem that can be solved, there is a course that can be made, and people are willing to pay for your experience, your expertise, to have that solution. Now, how you should create your course. Let me break it down into 4 steps. The first step is where your client is at point A and facing a problem that he really needs to solve it. In order to help him, you should take him to the point B. Your actual course should be the solution in which the clients are investing in the solution, which is your course. Inside your course, you have your transformation. So, you're giving your client a formula based on your experience, your expertise, or own research that takes your client from point A to point B. Once they understand the formula, they apply it and succeed in solving that problem. Only at this point They will be satisfied to talk about how your course helped them. So, when you actually create your course, you do the same reverse. At first, you want to know where your client stands at point A. And that comes by opening discussion with them about the problem they want to solve. This will allow you to have a detailed idea about what is their point A. After understanding your client's standpoint, you need to start with the outcome. This is how you build your course curriculum. Start asking, what is the point B that my client wants to reach? For example, building a profitable online business with point A can be they have no visibility. Or he might be an expert, but they don't have any online followers. So, if I want my clients to reach the point B, what is the formula or the curriculum that I need to put them through and the step I need to take? This will be your course that takes your clients from A to B. This is the basic overview of the process on how to create your online course. At this point, we have the product, which is ready. Now, we need to reach our clients. Although marketing details is a big subject and outside the scope of this video, but I would like to speak about a very important action to take it into consideration. Pre-selling your course. Following this strategy requires you to offer a profitable prototype, which means you are creating the curriculum of your course, but not necessarily recording the sessions and writing the presentation, because at this point you don't really know what your client needs until you work with them. But in order to pre-sale your course, you should meet certain conditions. You are self-hosting your courses on your WordPress site or on a third party like Thinkific or Teachable, and not planning to upload them on a marketplace like Skillshare or Udemy. Your potential clients are even your followers that you can target them, or you need to pay for traffic to capture their email or phone and introduce them to your course. If you meet the above conditions, then pre-selling your course will give you a big advantage, like providing the cash flow needed. Customize the course content and materials based on your future students' expectations. What content do you really need in your course? In order to convince potential clients to enroll, you will need expert content that you are going to share over all platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. This expert content should educate your clients, share your own experience, problem solving, execution to solve the problem, relative to maintain problem they are facing, take action, book the course or contact you. How to turn your course to evergreen that generates passive income. At the first step, you need to get traffic, which is basically people. They need to know what you do. After that, the traffic should be turned into member of your email list, so you can capture them. Even if they don't buy directly, they might buy later, since you're going to follow up them. Then, you send them a webinar, a mini course that introduces and educates them to what your training is about. In the last stage, you will make them customers. At this point, you turn your course to evergreen by taking this light course and packing it so the people can study it anytime, anywhere. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to this channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video